Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Gamma 4 on Windows 11 machine. So first of all I'll open the Google search bar and first I will install Ollama on my Windows 11 machine. So I will type download Ollama for Windows and then after that I will go to this link and then after that I will have to select Windows since I'm using Windows machine, and then I will click download for Windows, and the download process will start. It will take some time. In my case it has already been downloaded, so I'm going to cancel the download process over here and I will open the ollama setup.exe. But before installing this ollama, you first have to make sure that your git is already installed. In my case, if I go to the command prompt, go to command prompt, I will show you the git version. In my case git is already installed. Git dash dash version, yes, it is already installed. So in order to download the git or install it, you will have to type download git for Windows. Go to this link, go to Windows and go to Git for Windows 64-bit setup, and after that, once this is done, you just need to open this and just you need to click next and just follow the process and it will be installed very quickly. Now since my Git is already installed, so what I'm going to do is I will just open the setup, open the Ollama setup and just wait. I just need to wait. Now I will click install and it will automatically start the installation process. It will take some time to complete. Just wait and be patient. So Ollama has been installed in my system. So now what I need to do is I will just go to Google, go to ollama.com again, and I will go to models. And after that, I will search for model called Gamma 4, and I will go to this particular link, and then I will go over here and I will go to the latest model, which is this one. I will just click this, and then all I need to do is just use this command to install the latest version of Gamma 4 locally in the system. So what I need to do is I will just open the command prompt and open the command prompt, and all I need to do is just type this command and press enter, and it will automatically install this latest version of AI model in my system, Gamma 4 colon E4B. So just wait and be patient until this is done. So guys, after taking some time, this AI model has been installed locally in my system. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Ollama app. So first I need to close this application and now I need to open the Ollama app. So type Ollama and open this app, and after that I will go to my new chat, and then afterwards I'm going to select the model. Right now the selected model is this one, so I'm going to select gamma, so gamma 4 colon E4B, which is the latest model as of now. Let me just show you. So look, gamma 4 colon E4B, it is the latest model. So that's it. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.